Good morning, geometry students. It's Tuesday, May 19th, and because we're doing a Castle Learning Assignment today for the first time, I just wanted to go over a couple things on the questions. There's going to be 10 questions. I think they're all multiple choice, so just do the best you can. You're probably going to have to spend a little bit more time because, number one, obviously it's a different platform than Google Classroom, but I assume that most of you are familiar with the Castle Learning, maybe just not with math. So let me just take a couple minutes here and go through the questions. Number one, perimeter means you add all the sides, so you got to find the missing side. I think that one's going to be pretty easy. For number two, this is the key here, that the two sides are parallel, LM and ST. So if I look at LM and ST, those are parallel. So we can set up a proportion. So if I mark the diagram, RL is 2 and LS is 6. Okay, we've got LM is 4 and ST is X plus 2. So we got little to big, little to big. So my proportion should be, if I'm looking at little, if I look at little triangle to big side, so I got 2 over the whole side, which would be 8, equals little base, which is 4 over X plus 2. And that should help you with that one. So just be careful, they want ST. Okay, so that's going to help you with that one. I think number 3 you should be okay with. Just remember clockwise rotation. Clockwise, you're going this direction. Whoops, that's going that direction. Number 4 you should be okay with. So just read the question, you should be okay. For number 5, the rhombus. Just be aware that when you rotate, the order A, B, C, D has to follow K, L, M, N. So if I look at the order of A, B, C, D, K, L, M, N, that means this should be corresponding to A, B, C, and D. So use those letters as you go around to answer number 5. And the last couple questions. Number 6, perpendicular bisector. MT is a perpendicular bisector, so this is a right angle. That's the perpendicular. Bisector means these two pieces are equal. Okay, so it comes down. So they want to know which one is not always true. Number 7, hexagon is 6 sides, and they want to know which one's going to carry it. So remember, you're doing 360 divided by the number of sides, and you want to find the multiple over here. Number 8, we have midpoints. So these right here are the midpoints. So if AB is 24, and these two are the midpoints, this right here has to be half of 24, which is 12. So actually, I'm going to do this one for you. Number 8 is choice 3. So you can do that, okay? Number 9, you have the line 2y equals x plus 8. So if I do over here, if I do 2y equals x plus 8, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, I get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 4. So if I'm going to go from this line, because that's the slope and that's the y-intercept, and I'm going to dilate it, and I'm going to end up here, they want to know what the scale factor is. Well, what you want to look at is going from 4 to 2. So how do I get from 4 to 2? My scale factor would be by 1/2. So actually I'm going to do this one. So number 9 is choice 1. Okay? And then for number 10, you're going to have to graph this one. Graph it, and they want it in the ratio of 1 to 3. So remember, you're going to add 1 plus 3. So you're going to divide that into 4 equal parts, or divide your slope into 4 equal parts. So, okay. Be very careful with this Castle Learning. It's not like doing Regents questions. So these are Regents questions, but take your time with this. Don't just sort of blow through it, because this is going to be graded. So the grades might tend to be a little bit lower. So, all right. So take your time with this one. There's going to be a Castle Learning assignment on Tuesdays and Fridays from now till through June 5th. So I think there's a total of 6 of these. So not too bad, but it's going to take you a little bit longer than the review book assignments that I'm giving you. So if you got any questions, message me. And that's it. Have a good day.